Yes. I also believe a part of the solution is also awareness. How do we get aware about all of this? And I want to ask everybody here because all of you are distinguished members in your field. You know, for someone who's listening to this out there, how do we make them aware of stuff like this? Like like the knowledge that you have, with something like this. What do we read to? Oh, sorry about that. What do we read? What do we watch? I also want to come to you, all of you, also as well. In terms of the kind of media you consume, because I feel ultimately we are an amalgamation of the media that we consume. So if you had to give us, say, a few Netflix recommendations or some recommendations of things we can watch, creators we can follow, because today a large amount of our thought process is influenced by influencers or content creators, and some of them are great with what they say. So do you have any recommendations on the whole, through mainstream media, art, journalism, anyone that we can follow? What are your recommendations to get ourselves a little more aware?
I mean, I think it'll take a long time for all of us to, detail. But I think if you make a little bit of an effort, I recall for this season of my podcast, making that effort to look at the intersection of caste and queerness, making the effort to look at the intersection of queerness with differently abled people. And I think, you can see it. There are shows like Made in Heaven, which are very progressive. You had a lead male character who was gay. You had a real trans person playing a trans character. So there are a bunch of shows that I think now address those kind of issues, address and are much more inclusive. I think the OTT platforms definitely have inclusivity boxes that they want to check. So they do look for stories that deal with as much intersection as possible. And I think it is high time all of us with our privileges, like you said, make that effort to really examine the choices we're making, the choices of media that we consume. There is also the danger in that now people are saying there's too much wokeness. कि भाई अभी डर लगता है because कुछ, like you said, normal, and it was a totally innocent reference to yourself, but that does reflect on your privilege. You probably are from an upper caste, you probably are heterosexual, etc., etc. So, therefore, I think we now need to also be careful that, itna bhi nahi, it shouldn't be so much that you're living in fear because you don't want to, And I think the important thing is to educate and inform each other in a nice way rather than trolling and abusing and, all the other shit that goes on.